Understanding, wishing for, enhancing your English skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, wishing for. Understanding these types of expressions can really help you sound more natural in English. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to wish for something. Wishing for is a phrase used to express a desire or hope for something that is not currently present or true. It's often about wanting something that might be hard to get or achieve. For example, if someone says, "I'm wishing for a sunny day," it means they hope the weather will be sunny, even if it's currently cloudy or rainy. Using wishing for in a sentence is quite straightforward. Remember, it usually comes before the object of desire. Here are some examples. I am wishing for a peaceful vacation. She is wishing for a new bicycle for her birthday. Notice how the phrase is followed by what the person desires. It's important to distinguish between wishing for and wishing that. Wishing that is followed by a clause and often expresses a wish for a situation to be different. For example, I wish that I had more time to travel, means the speaker desires a change in their current situation. In contrast, wishing for focuses on a specific object or outcome. A common mistake learners make is using wish and hope interchangeably. While they are similar, hope is more realistic and probable, whereas wish often implies a longing for something less likely to happen. For instance, I hope to pass my exam, probable. I wish I could fly, less likely. That's all for our lesson on wishing for. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding this common English expression. Remember, practicing these phrases in your daily conversations can greatly improve your fluency. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.